Hello guys. In this particular video we will discuss about you know chart patterns and how we trade like a pro using chart patterns. Chart patterns are nothing but this kind of a fancy uh, the patterns that we can see on the chart, which will be in the form of a triangle, wedge, and we have to keep on drawing the trend lines, and we identify bullish chart patterns and bearish chart patterns. There's nothing very uh, sci-fi or a very hi-fi in this thing. Okay, it's very simple. I know that you know it's very easy to identify these chart patterns, and once you start identifying chart patterns you will trade like a pro. Plus if you have this knowledge of how this is called as price action strategy. Price action means how price is acting on a chart. That's it. It's very simple. Trading is very simple, guys. I don't know why people make it so complicated. So uh, let's see. It's very easy to draw chart patterns here. I have been keep on drawing this, so you should keep on identifying the chart patterns regularly and trade accordingly. Okay, see, this is a triangle chart patterns. Okay, once you see this kind of a chart patterns appearing in your chart, it is indecision. It can go up, it can go down. See, it went down here. Again we found another triangle, it went up, retested, and it again went up. Here it formed a you know one more channel. This is called as a channel. In a parallel channel the price will keep start going up. Okay, it came down here. Here it came down, and again it formed a double bottom. Double bottoms are very easy. That's our bullish chart patterns. Okay, the moment you see double bottom like this w, this called as w. Once you see this w pattern, I so that is nothing but a bullish chart pattern. So the moment you see this W appearing on your chart, the next thing the price will definitely go up, because that's a bullish chart patterns, and everybody will start identifying the bullish chart pattern in a 30-minute chart, or you take in a 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Every chart you will find this kind of a pattern that is appearing. So again it formed a channel here. Inside the channel there you can again find chart pattern. This is called as a falling wedge. The falling wedge is again a bullish chart pattern. Okay, so guys, this is very easy. You just keep on identifying the chart pattern, identify which is bullish, identify which is bearish, or keep it in your wallpaper, computer wallpaper. This is a bearish chart pattern or a bullish chart pattern, or stick onto your wall and see whether you can note identify this type of chart patterns on your chart, and keep trading accordingly. So there is nothing too scientific about it, or there is people use fancy words and they act themselves like some pro traders. And I have attended one of the seminar by paying money. All they did, all they taught was just support and resistance and identifying the chart patterns. So I know you guys have spent a lot of the people, they just spend 30,000, 40,000, 25,000 rupees for identifying these dumb sheets on the chart. That is not there is no need you to attend all this kind of seminar. You can do it on your own. See, here you found a channel here. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, on a live chat, I don't know what's going to happen here, but still let us see. You can just identify 3 weeks or 3 points and join this as a form of a trend line. Okay, the trend line is broken. Trend line is broken means what? It's going to short. Before shorting, what it will happen? It will retest this position again, it will go down. You don't need to be a pro trader to understand all these things. Okay, see, this will come down again, it will hit this line, again it will come down. If not, if this line is not acting as a resistance, no, what will happen? It will go up. Okay, it is as simple as that. See here, falling wedge. Falling wedge, I told, falling wedge is a bullish chart pattern. Okay, when see, it's very simple, guys. You don't have, there's no complication in this. Okay, whenever you see the pattern like this coming down, the immediately what will happen? Price will go up. Okay, another type. These are whenever the price is coming from down and forming this channel, what it will happen? Once it breaks this, you know what happens? It goes up. That's it. And one more, price coming from the down, it coming from down, it went up. It's coming from the up, and it is forming like this. And if it breaks this support, it will go down. That's all. There is nothing fancy about these things, right? So it, since it is coming down, it is in the downtrend. Since it's going up, it is in the uptrend. That's all. And another type of chart patterns you can see is W. W is double bottom. These are very nice bullish chart patterns. Another type is M. These are bearish chart patterns. That's it. If you are identifying W and M, you can trade easily. Okay, let me show you where is the W here. Look, here is one W. It will be hiding like this. That's it. What you should do, you just have to take appropriate entries, draw trend line, keep support, keep the appropriate risk to reward ratio. The moment you see W, keep the appropriate risk to reward ratio of your choice and start trading. That's it. Here, falling wedge. Falling wedge is always a bullish. W again, the bullish. Triangle and indecision. It can go up and down. Continuation pattern. Flag. So here, just draw this trend line. W here again. I saw W here. How? Let me show you. Like this. If the price is here and it's bouncing, you should take entry here. It will retest again. It will go up. No problem. So this is how we trade. The pro traders, they use price action candles. Okay, they don't use any indicators. They just start identifying this price action, then they start making money. But if you want to be double sure of your position, whether I have to continue with the long and short, just apply our tool. There's no, it's very easy. It will give you a proper direction. You don't have to worry too much. So what, since we applied our tool, and it's very easy to trade here. For example, let me take this. I want to identify one pattern. Okay, here I have identified the falling wedge. Just draw like this one. There's nothing you know too technical about all these things. 1 2 3 1 2 3, no problem, fine. So this is the falling wedge. The falling wedge, the moment you got a long signal, what you should do, you should go for a long. It will retest this and comfortably go for a long. So this signal gave you another confidence, right? So this signal will help you identify proper long and short, where to take long, where to take short, and it will also give you a confidence to take this trade. And next, you would immediately draw one more trend line. The trend line is respected, again it gave long. You should comfortably go for a long position. That's it, right? Here, and where see, this is the channel. It appropriately gave long, short, long, short, long, and plus buy order. Look how this institution buys here. They are forming a W kind of a structure has formed, but it didn't break this channel. These guys bought here, again these guys bought here. See what happened to the price. It went up. See, short and long, it broke this resistance. Long, it price went up. Long, short, long, short. See, exactly, it is within this triangle. Again, see, long, short, long, short, long and short here in this triangle only. These guys bought it here. Look how this institution buys. They are very smart people. Your smart money is coming here, right? They are not buying here, but they are buying here. You can detect this smart money where it is coming here, right? You got a long and you got institution buy, regression channel, your price channel is formed. You got a short. See how beautifully you get short here, right? Short signal once you broke the trend line. Done. Comfortably you take the trade. Here you got a long. If you're not confident, don't take it. But here, if you got long and you're noticing a W pattern that is forming, then what is in the world that is keeping you, that is stopping you from longing? You should immediately go for a long position, because this is the price action that every pro traders and every institutional traders, they follow. So you got long here. Look, comfortably within this channel you are getting long and short, right? Guys, will you get this kind of entries in any? I don't think so there is any other indicator in the world that can give this kind of a long and short, right? See, there are many, but you know, I'm very passionate about what we have developed. So out of those love towards our work, so we are more, you know, uh, uh, tilted towards our tool. So I'm just exaggerating, but you can make out your your own here. See, you can just see how nice you are getting long and short signals within this particular range. So that's what I meant. So moving on, so we got a long signal, you're not confident here, okay, no problem. Got a short, okay, but here the smart money came here, right? And you're seeing a W pattern that is being formed. It's a double bottom pattern, right? You got a smart money and you got a long. So I'm gonna put confidently put money here and go for a long. So look, this is again a bearish pattern, the channel widening up and the price going down, bearish pattern, short, it didn't give any signal here. Again got a long signal because trend line is respected here, got a short signal because the trend line is broken here. Look, the smart move here is where you have to put money, right? You got a falling wedge, you got a long, comfortable long position, right? Here look, long and short within this channel, right? So we got a short. Why we got a short here? The moment we got a short, what is happening? The trend line is broken and it retested this trend line. Again it will go down. So this how you can trade using this bot plus identifying the chart pattern. In addition to that, if you start drawing support and resistance line also, there is nobody in this whole world that can stop you from becoming profitable. Either you yourself should stop you, or your own silly mistakes should make you, take loss. Otherwise, the it is impossible that if you properly trade with correct leverage and correct margin and good risk to reward ratio, trading is very easy. It is not as difficult as people portray it. You don't have to spend thousands of rupees, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 rupees for those dumb shit courses which people who will come in some suit and they start telling you that, okay, look, I have made this. Only they will make money. You will not make money. The one who will teach, you know, who will come in fancy looking glossy suits, and they keep seminars and they start, look, I want how many of you guys know this, how many of you guys know that, raise your hand, all those kind of drama that will happen there. It's a big scam, big drama people, you know they just make money out of, you know there are so many, these kind of people who come and give lecture about 50, they take about 50,000, 40,000, 1 lakh, and all those kind of courses which are freely available on the net. You don't have to go and visit all of them. Okay, so it is very easy, just identify the pattern, and if you just apply this tool, you can get a, proper confidence. Confidently you can take entries. So that's what I meant. You can do this on any kind of time frame. You can do this on any chart. For example, let me take BTC. Trading is easy here also. So long and short, right? So we got a perfect long here, and smart money came, and again this will go up. So what you should do is just, so if you just start drawing trend lines and start identifying the patterns, you can easily make a lot of money. So that's it, guys. I hope you understood, and I hope this video, you are able to learn something new. Please subscribe to my channel, and please join my telegram channel as well. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.